Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Open the repo and choose your Readme Generator method. If using web, sign in. If CLI, ensure Node. JS is installed and run the generator. Next, pick the core sections you need and gather text snippets, a short project description, badges, installation commands, and usage examples. Once done, feed those items into the generator prompt so it can scaffold a clear, structured README file you can refine. You now customize the generated content to be specific and actionable. Replace placeholders with exact install commands, sample config files, and a one-paragraph usage example. Make sure to include code blocks for copy-paste and add a screenshot or GIF for visual onboarding. Also set contribution guidelines, link issue templates, and update the license badge. As you edit, preview the markdown to confirm formatting and validate links, so readers land on working resources. You finish by previewing the README on GitHub and making final fixes. Correct headings, adjust relative paths for images, and validate all links. Commit changes to a branch and open a pull request so teammates can review. Once merged, watch how new users interact and iterate based on feedback. If rendering issues appear, regenerate the affected section or revert to the last good version. Then reapply edits incrementally to identify the problematic change and restore a clean README quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.